Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to off active status on Facebook and laptop. We start by opening Facebook, and after that we open the Messenger menu. After that, we will click on the three-dot chat options menu and then on active status. Here we can choose if you want to remove the active status for some or deactivate it completely. Finally, apply the changes with save. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.